Updating your email address on Monster is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Monster website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to access your email settings. Step 4. Update email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to confirm your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated. Be sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Monster.